Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover unparalleled coastal living in this stunning villa nestled within a prestigious gated community, mere steps away from the pristine private beach, boasting a blend of elegance and functionality. This 3-bed, 2-bath residence is impeccably furnished and designed for comfort. There are two self-contained options, 1-bed and 2-bed, both with a separate kitchen, living and dining areas. The unit comes with AC in all rooms, electronic storm shutters, and a solar heater. Conveniently located just a few steps from the swimming pool and the beach, you will enjoy a lifestyle of leisure and recreation. Entertainment awaits on the rooftop garden and entertainment area, providing panoramic views of the coastline. Residents of this exclusive community enjoy access to a tennis court, swimming pool, and multipurpose area, private beach, and a kids' playground. With 24-hour security, residents can rest assured in a safe and secure environment, complemented by the natural beauty and serenity of beachfront living. Drax Hall is quickly becoming the new entertainment hub in St. Anne. Benefit from being within 5 minutes to food establishment, shopping, and recreational spots. Call to schedule private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this villa is US 4,000 or Jamaican $615,600. To rent this villa, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this villa, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.